Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in looking at the inside cabin 6369. Let's tag in. First, let's come in. First to the right, we'll have a closet. I've unpacked my bags. Is already in here. And then we have a desk with drawers. One has a hair dryer. Then we have the mirror covers just like the other one. The other one we had, same glass area. And then we have a TV that comes out. We have 3 drawers here, just like the other side, same as the other side. We have the chiller right here. I don't know which way it opens. Oh, there it goes. And it seems it's like it's cool in there. Okay, and then we'll go up. Here's the safe. And a little storage up there. Next to the bed, we have the phone and a nightstand. And right now, I cannot find anything to show that there are power outlets here for you. Same as before here, we have a light switch on top here, right here. And then the reading light should be over on this side. There you go, right there for the reading light if you need that. And then there is a big mirror overlooking the bed. Some artwork. This room has a full couch. Well, not a full couch, but I mean, I don't know. Does this turn into a sleeper? Nope, it's just a double seat. Since we don't have the connecting rooms, we get a full. And it is quite hard to get through this area, so it's tight. And then we have several outlets. I have one plugged into my clock. So a 210, two 110s. The switch for the mirror light here. Okay, and then we got the 220, and then the announcements, which you don't really see a lot of anymore. If you want to hear announcements in the cabin, the bathroom, we have the shower stall. Again, remember this is a little tighter, and then the same with the wraparound glass, cup holders, round sink, and so guys, okay, and then of course another tall glass here, and this will tell you where to go to your muster station on deck 4 D17. And here you can tell that this is the location of this room. It's on the port side. It's the inside room. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching that video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day. Bye now. Alright, sorry guys, I meant to say we're on the starboard side, or on the right when you're facing forward of the ship, this room. Okay, not on the port side. Sorry.